Right then, 13. So the diagram shows a tree and a man. The man is of average height. The tree and the man are drawn to the same scale. Alright, so this is like a real life picture, if you like, scale wise. So you need to, well, it says here, write down an estimate for the real height in meters of the man. How tall is this guy here? Okay, so I mean, there was a bit of moaning about this question after it was done about, I don't know the height, don't know how tall men are, but if they're going to test us on something, I suppose testing us on the height of people is kind of okay, isn't it? We should probably know the average height of like a man. So they were allowing anywhere between 1.5 to 2 meters as the average height of a man, which is it's probably some political correctness, things there, but it's pick anything in between those two values and you would have got the mark basically. So something like 1.8 meters. It's in meters, so it would literally just be 1.8. 180 centimeters. All right. Part B, find an estimate for the real height in meters of the tree. So they just want you to scale this up. How many times bigger is the tree than the man? That is all the question is asking you to do. And then literally times your number here by, however many times bigger you think the tree is. I think they were allowing anything between 5 and 6 times bigger. I mean, I can do a rough kind of sketch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very rough. 5. Between 5 and 6 times bigger, I think, was the mark scheme. So if I was saying, 1.8 is my guess, times that by 5, and that would be like the height in meters of my tree. So what is 1.8 times 5? Well, it depends on how good your times tables are. You can think of this as like 18 times 5. If you wanted to do it with that, obviously we have to do it without a calculator. And then we could do 10 times 5, trying to break it up now, makes 50. And then the 8 times 5 is going to give me 40. So if I add that up, I'm going to get 90. Alright, but obviously I had a decimal place in my question, 1.8, and I took it out to get 18. So I need to put it back in. Alright, so I can bring it back in. It's going to give me 9.0. So one potential answer could have been 9 meters, but the idea was you times it by 5 times your original answer to part A, or 6 times your answer to part A.